do you suggest?
Would you like to have some cocktails or non-alcoholic?
Non-alcoholic for now.
For the non-alcoholic, we have mango tango po. It is a combination of watermelon, ripe mango, pineapple, and oranges.
Yes.
Served over ice.
Yes.
Let me get you one.
Yes,
Nice
ma'am.
choice, sir.
Thank you.
I'll be back for you.
All right.
Hello! Nanu Babo Balen. I'm with Kuya Louie, pinakagwapong vlogger sa Pampanga.
Ay. Any 100 pesos. Thank you, thank you.
Marita ka na naman, Carmeli Mandales.
Oh, laman-dalan. Nanu Babo Kabalen, welcome to Where in Pampanga. Guys, for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa SM City Clark and we were invited by Tgif. Guys, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Where in Pampanga. Thank you. Ito kasama natin yung mga ibang influencers dito sa Pampanga as well as mga media. And siyempre pag ganun, camera it's first. So, picture muna bago kakain. I'm happy kasi kasama natin si Pampanga Good News and Exploring Pampanga dito sa table. Grabe, 4 lang kami dito sa table. Ang dami pagkain. Sobrang generous. So, thank you so much, Tgif, SM City Clark. Let's dig in! Look at this cheese. Cheesy. Guys, when you go here, Tgif, you gotta try this one. Nakalimutan yung pangalan, pero this is one of their pizza, your thin crust pizza. Sarap ng truffle flavor niya, guys. Solid. You gotta try this one. That was it. Congratulations, Tgif, SM City Clark. Thank you for this great looking drinks. And guys, if you're looking for this kind of food, Tgif is open sa SM City Clark. So go and visit it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Cheers!